Now, as much as I love our new LG Quad Wash, with all this load shedding, it's totally killing my vibe. So, just for the meantime, while we've got no electricity, I thought that I'd get a temporary dishwasher, but only for a little while. Aiden! My temporary dishwasher. No, not there. You can bring it here. Now, he doesn't have 4 multi-motion spraying arms like the Quad Wash, but he has 2. 2 arms, which does work. He doesn't come with true steam technology to clean and steam my dishes with perfection, but I admit he is a little steamy. He definitely doesn't come with Think technology to connect with my phone, but he has a 6-pack, so it doesn't really matter. And he definitely isn't the quietest dishwasher on the market, but he'll get the job done. Thank you so much. Nice. Really good with the dishes, he is.
Jeannie, I think I've got it from here. Thanks, girl.
Only while there's load shedding. Built with innovative LG technology, the Quad Wash will work as beautifully as it looks, and the elegant exteriors of the LG dishwashers can complement the design of any kitchen.
Providing enhanced coverage to clean every dish on every rack.